Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're going to do a kiss pour with neon paints. I just did a pour with these same colors. So I'm going to use the same cups. I'm going to do neon on this side and then black on this side. And I'm using the Liquitex Basics fluorescence. And also in the green, I have glow in the dark. That is the Folk Art Super Glow. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to definitely use as much of the green as possible because it's the glow in the dark factor and that's fun. But I also really love the neon pink and orange that I have over here. We have a little orange left. Okay, a little more yellow and then a little more green and then we're good. Awesome. I did do a similar painting on a live video the other day. It wasn't with neons though. It was just with black on one side and then regular paints on the other side. So this should be a little different. Now the key is to try to pour them at the same time. So we're just going to go right in the middle. And you want your paints to kind of touch as they're going down without, like, you shouldn't be mixing them per se. Okay. Whoa. I am a little worried that I didn't actually use enough paint. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some black around the edges. Okay. This should just help it. Alright. I do have this from the cup, so that's good over there. But definitely want to make sure we get the corners all covered. And the black is just the Artist Loft Flow Acrylics mixed with Floetrol and water. No silicone in this painting at all. Okay, that should be plenty. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to just move it around. Okay, I'm actually liking this. Because of adding that extra black and whatnot, we didn't necessarily retain the normal shape we would have, but I like this. Go a little more this way. Okay, I actually think that's good. And it can go multiple directions. You know what it looks like? Oh my gosh, I gotta show you guys, but it looks like a dude is sitting in here on a boat riding like a wave. Or maybe it's a surfboard. Anyways, a boat wouldn't really make sense. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. And then also we'll do a real quick where I turn out the lights. I do have my, my black light has been on this whole time charging the paint. So we'll be able to see that. Let's center this. Okay, so let's do our close-up. So here's a little dude. I hope you guys see that too. It's always funny the things we see in the paint, right? I love this. I think I will probably need to do it again using a little more paint. But I think this is super cool. Very unexpected how it came out. All right, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn off the lights. We'll see how it looks with the black light, and then we'll see how it looks with no light. Okay, this is with the black light. Nice and glowy. And then here we go. No black light. So cool. Hold on. I'm going to actually move the camera because I think it's a little too far away to see it clearly. And then I'm going to do that one more time because it actually glows a lot more than you can see in the camera. Here. That was a little bit better. Yeah, the camera really unfortunately does not pick up as much glow as the eye does, but it does glow quite a bit. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.